This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is Art Attack.
Hello there, and welcome once again. Do you ever get bored with the view from your bedroom window? What you need is a room with a view. Come and have a look at this. Take a piece of paper or thin card, any type of paper you like, any colour, but it has to be big enough to be able to draw an A4 size rectangle in the middle of it. Now, the best way of drawing an A4 size rectangle is to draw around an A4 size piece of paper. And it doesn't have to be accurate at this stage, because this is just a guide. Then take your paper away, and I'm going to draw in this rectangle a window. Quick squiggle along the top of the pelmet, then a curtain down the side there, a curtain down the side there, and then across the middle, the bars of the window like that, and the windowsill down the bottom. And just divide the pelmet up into sections and put 3 creases in each of the curtains, like that. Now you see why I'm doing this roughly in a minute. And then take some cotton wool and tear it or cut it into strips or balls. Dip it into a bowl of water first, wring out the water, and then just plonk it into some PVA glue mixed in equal parts with water, and just squeeze out all the excess glue. And look at that. It's now a perfect pulp for modelling with. And then just put it onto your picture, on your design there, and just model it with your fingers into shape, just pressing it onto the card. And it looks a bit of a mess at this stage, but don't worry, we'll get there. And then I'll take another strip just to show you, into the water. The reason I'm putting it into the water to start with is it makes it a little easier to handle. You don't get cotton wool over your fingers then. And then into the glue again, squeeze it out, and then onto your picture, and just, again, model it onto the sections that you've drawn in your picture. And just put one of the creases in the curtains there. It's probably a good idea to have a towel handy for this. And then when you've done the whole of your picture, the curtains and the window frame, leave it to dry overnight. And when it's dry, and after you've wiped your hands, it'll look something like this. And look what's happened here. The PVA glue and the cotton has gone rock hard and stuck to the picture underneath. And you notice I haven't put anything on these sections here. You'll see why in a minute. And then design your curtains. And you can use poster paint for this or acrylic paint. I'm just going to slosh on some red at this point just to show you how it's done. You can take more time over this. And it doesn't matter if you go onto the backing paper or card. And again, you don't have to do red curtains. You can do any colour you like. See if you can become a curtain designer. There it is, just sloshing it on and completely colour the whole of your curtains and your window. When it's finished, it may look something like this. Look at that, and there it is. And you can see what I've done here is I've coloured it red and yellow and put some polka dots on the curtains, make it a nice bright colour. And then just cut off, I'm just going to rip off here this backing section, like that. And the reason I didn't put any cotton wool on those middle sections is you should cut them out. I'm just tearing them off here, like that. And there's your room with a view. And where's your view? Well, you just cut out a picture from a magazine, trim it to size, pop a couple of dabs of glue onto the back of your curtains, like that, and then just pop your window over your picture, line it up, and there it is. Try it yourself, a room with a view.
Oh, that is most effective. Hello, it's me, the head. Now, model your window using cotton wool dipped in an equal parts mixture of PVA glue and water. Paint it, put in your picture, and you'll have a room with a view. Do you want to see my view? But where's the window, I hear you cry? It's on the other wall.